Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about SAP PM master data. So first we will see what is a configuration data. So here I have mentioned some configuration data related to FICO module. So the data is cost center and profit center. And the example of configuration data from module is a plant, storage location, purchasing group, and purchase organization material. Okay. And then the last one is an example of configuration data PM. So the data is maintenance plant, maintenance planning plant, plant section, planner group, and location. So these data we can configure. Okay. Basically, we need to configure these data from SPRO setting. Then we can use these data in master data activity. Okay, when we will perform master data activity creation, then we need to use maintenance plant, maintenance planning plant, plant section, planner group, location, these data. Okay, so now I'm coming on the master data first. So master data record can provide almost all the information need to keep needed to keep a technical object running smoothly throughout its life cycle. SAP master data play important role in implementation project and business process. Example of master data. So these master data are, first one is a class, and the T code will be CL02. By using it, we can create it. So here I have mentioned the master data description and the object we will create in SAP PM system, and the T code which will be useful for creation of this master data. So the class, first one is a class, then characteristic, measuring point, measurement document, permit, work center, function location, equipment, parts, catalog, task list, maintenance strategy, bill of material, master inspection characteristic, and sampling procedure. These are the detail. These are the detail which comes under the master data. Basically, it is used in a SAP PM master data. Okay, so now I am coming on the class and characteristic first. So a class is nothing but it is a collection of characteristic. Okay, basically class is a collection of characteristic, and characteristic in SAP is a cross module application. It is used in PM, MM, VM, PP, SD, QM. Okay, and characteristic in SAP PM are widely used with class. Once created, it is assigned to class as assigned to technical object like equipment, function, location, and all the characteristic and technical object. Okay, so here I have taken one example. We have one pump, and pump can be classified into two. Okay, so for the classification of technical object, basically we are using a class in SAP PM system, and characteristic. So basically characteristic we are using to specify or represent the technical representation or technical specification of characteristic. Okay, so pump will classified into two: dynamic pressure pump, positive displacement pump, and pump will be dynamic pump will be classified into centrifugal, propeller, turbine. In the same manner, positive displacement pump will classified into reciprocating and rotary. Okay, so now, so here I have mentioned the way by using it we can assign the characteristic, and then in last what we can do, we can assign, we will create one class, and then we can assign all the characters which characteristic. Okay, and then we can assign these with a equipment. Okay, so now I'm coming on my SAP server, and we will try to create here. So maybe okay. So first I will use T code CT04 to create characteristic. So what characteristic I will create? So I have different type of data here: hours, kilometer, kVA, RPM, ampere, voltage, power factor. These are the characteristic and these are the class. Okay, so we can create it. So now I'm going to create ampere and voltage. Okay, so current. Okay, current. So you can see this is already created in our system. If you want to create a new one, what you need to do, you need to first you need to maintain characteristic as a current. Then here you need to maintain uh, description current. Okay, so here you can maintain current, and then you need to use data type as a numeric format. Then number of characteristic will be 4. As per choice you can take more than, and then a decimal point you can take as per your choice, and unit of measurement. Okay, and then template, and then is save it. In the same manner, if you want to create new one, here you need to put voltage. Okay, so first I am going to create kVA, then I will press enter. Maybe it is not exit. Okay, so system is asking, do you want to create the characteristic? Yes, I want to create. So what is the use of kVA? Kilowatt hour. So here I will paste. And the same manner, what I will do, I will come here data type in format section. I will select numeric format. Then I will choose for 3 characteristic. And from here I will use unit of measurement. K for carat. Press enter, and then I will save it. So this is how I have created one characteristic. Now I'm going to create voltage. Okay, in the same manner I will try to create voltage, but system is showing voltage already exists. So then what I will do, I will go to display mode. So you can see here voltage, then release. Here they have taken in characteristic format. So what I will do, I will edit it. Don't worry. So I will try to numeric format. Press enter. Again, I will try to use numeric format. Yes, I want to change it. Okay. Then I will take decimal point 1. Unit of measurement I will take as a B. Okay. And then I will press enter. The allowed value must first be adjusted to match new length. Okay. So I will take 4 characteristics. Unit can't be used. Why? Works for it. Okay. Okay. So I will go through this one again. And then I will select voltage. Then I will press enter. Again press enter. Maybe due to some reason it is not taking. I don't know. Press enter. What is the reason behind it? I don't know. But maybe okay. So let it be. We will take 2 different type of characteristic and we will try to create new one. Okay. So what we have created, first we have created kVA and voltage. Now I'm going to use T code CL02. Then I will press enter. Here I am going to create motor pump. Okay. Then I will press enter. 002 class type I will take 002 for equipment, because this class I am going to use for the okay equipment. So pump is already created. Now I'm going to create new one. Motor, I will try to create motor. Maybe motor is already created. So you can see now I'm going to again create new one. DG set. Okay, DG set. I will take from here copy, press enter. It is not created. I will click on this one. Okay, and then I will click on this one. Okay, DG diesel genset. Okay, then I will press enter. Here I will come in characteristic tab. Okay, and here I will assign the previous characteristic which I have created. So I will use voltage, not voltage, current. Press enter. You can see it is showing here, and then I will use KVA. Press enter. So this is how I have created two different type of characteristic, and now after that I have create class, and then I have assigned with diesel genset. I will go back, cancel. I need to come on basic data. Okay, and then I need to save it. So this is how you can say class PM underscore diesel gen I have created. Now what I will do, I will create one equipment. So I am going through IE01 T code. Then I will press enter. Here I will use as a diesel genset. Okay, diesel genset 250 kV. Then I will come in location tab. Here I will use my maintenance plant as I had earlier discussed with you. Location I will use one. Room I will take an DG set room, and plant section I will choose 7000, and then I will use work center. Okay, so later I will use, and then I can use ABC indicator from here. So I will use critical, take I will, or I can, yes, I will take critical, and then I will press enter. Then I will come in organization tab, and then you can see I will use planner group 7000, and then I will come on the go to tab. Here I will go through class, and here I will assign the PM diesel gen, okay, class of diesel genset. Then I will press enter, and now you can see two characteristics is coming. Then what I will do, current is a 100 ampere, and kVA will be 250 kVA. Okay, then age not found. Okay, maybe it is not coming. Why? Okay, I will choose as a 5 kVA, 5 ampere. Okay, then I will press enter, and 250 kilowatt. So kVA will be in a 100K. Then I will press enter. I will go back again. Here I will change 100 kVA, and then I will save it. If I want to display the same equipment in change mode, I will go through the IE02 or IE03. Then I will put the equipment number, then I will press enter. Now you can see I will click on class overview, or here you can see this is the class PM underscore diesel gen, and this is the description. Then current will be 5 ampere, and kilowatt hour will be 10. Okay, 100 kV. So if you want to change this detail, you need to go through the characteristic. So what I will do, I will again come back. I will use CT04, press enter, and I will use kVA, there press enter. Here I will use kVA, I will press enter and save it. Again I will go through this. Okay, again I will go through the equipment. Again I will go through equipment, back. I will use T code IE02, press enter. This is my equipment number. I will put and press enter. I will come with a class. So what I can do, I can remove the class. I will go through the class. What I will do, I will select this one and I will delete. So it is totally depends on our choice. If we want to assign, you can assign. Otherwise, if you want to deassign, you can delete it, and then it will be removed. Okay, and then you will save it. And now if you will check, class will not. So okay, so what I will do, I will again go through the class. I will use T code CL02, press enter. Then I will press enter. I will come with this class. Here you can see it is automatically changed. Okay, again I will go through the equipment IE0. Okay, here what I will do, I will assign the same class and then press enter. You can see 5 ampere and 0.5, and then kVA will be 50 kV. Okay, and then what I will do, go back and you can change description and then save it. So this is how I have created one equipment. Okay, before it I have created characteristic, two different type of characteristic I have created. Then I have created one class, and then I have assigned the same class with some equipment number. Okay, so this is the things. So now I'm going to create one work center. Okay, so I will use T code IR01, then I will press enter. Here I will use my plant number. Okay, and I am going to create PM underscore mech. Okay, then I will use 0005 work center category. Then I will put mechanical work center. Then usage will be 4. Press enter, and I will try to put from here. So 004 will be usage, and then I will use SAP standard value key. So from here I will take as a SAP 0, no standard value, and then I will press enter. Again I will come with default value. Here I will choose control key. Okay, then I will come with capabilities. Here I will choose 001 as a machine. From here you can see, no need to worry. From here you can directly search it. Okay, 001 is a machine. Then press enter. Okay, here I will select mechanical work center. Again I will select capacity planner group. Okay, this will I will take, and then I will use base unit as a H. Okay, start time will be for me 8 o'clock. Finish time will be 17. Okay, and then number of breakdown, sorry, number length of break 1 hour. Okay, I will take 100% utilization of this work center. I will allocate 4 different type of individual, and okay, again I will come inside, and you can see for one individual will be operating time 8 hour, and the for 4 it will be 32 hour of this work center. Okay, now I will go back. I will come on scheduling. Here I will use 001 as a machine, and I need to use formula SAP 08. Then I will press enter. Again press enter. I will come in costing. Okay, here I will use cost center 4300. Press enter. Okay, and then what I will do, I will save it. So you can see this is how I have created one work center. Now I'm going to assign the same work center with particular equipment. So I have one equipment IE02. You can choose any of equipment as per your choice, and then press enter, put the equipment number and press enter. I will come in the location tab. Here I will use PM dash MECH mech. You can see this is mechanical work center. Now I will come in here. Again I will use PM dash MECH mech, then 7000. And this is how you can see I have created one work center. Okay, so now I'm going to create one function location. I will use T code IL01, then press enter. So function location, to create function location, I have configured structure indicator and function location category. Okay, I have taken function location category as a standard M, but for this I have created structure indicator I have taken. Okay, so if you want to create new one, you can create new one as per your choice. Basically I'm going to create. Okay, so before it I have created my function location 7000 as 7000 plant, and then Okay, so here I am going to use uh, one area I am going to take as a manufacturing. Okay, then what I will do, I will press enter. Okay, so this is the manufacturing area, manufacturing location I will take as a description I'm taking. You can take different as per your choice. Then what I will do, or I can choose different one. So what I will do, I will come in location tab. Here you can see automatically maintenance plant and work center will come. Okay, then I will choose location one. Room I will take nothing. I will choose functional location. Plant section I will choose 700. I will come in organization tab. Okay, so here you can see each and everything is coming automatically. Then I will press enter, and in structure tab you can see there is a one function location, superior function location. Okay, so before it I have created. Okay, so what I will do, I will save it. What I can do, I can save it. So this is how I have created one function location. Okay, and then what I will do, I will go through again function location, sorry, equipment, and now I'm going to install this equipment. This is my DG genset, and what I will do, I will install at the same function location. So I will come with a structure tab. Here I will click on this icon, change installation location, and I will use 7-7000-MAN manufacturing. Then click on continue and save it. So this is how I have created one function location and I have installed one equipment at function location. So I will go back and I will use T code IH01. Then I will press enter. I will use my primary function, first function location number. Then I will click on install equipment installed, equipment hierarchy, bomb explosion, and then I will execute it. You can see this is my area function location. Okay, this is my first primary, then is a secondary function location. In the secondary function location, I have taken manufacturing location, mechanical maintenance, plastic manufacturing, steel production, rubber manufacturing area, and electrical maintenance area. So this is how you can see this is my total hierarchy, function location hierarchy. Okay, and I have created this function location. I have installed one equipment diesel genset for the providing electricity. Okay, so this is the beauty of the SAP PM. By using these things, we can create class and characteristic. We can create equipment. We can assign class and characteristic with equipment. Okay, and then we can create work center, and at work center we can assign some, and we can plan some uh, capacity and manpower planning we can do. Here you can see. Okay, and then uh, we can create function location and we can install some equipment. So this is the things. Okay, so this is how we have completed our class and characteristic, equipment, function location, and work center. Okay, now I'm going back again. I'm going to going back. So I will come with Excel sheet. So this is how we have completed our class and characteristic. Okay, now I'm coming on the measuring point. Okay, so you know very well what is measuring point. So I will use T code I01 to create measuring point, and this is my diesel genset. What I will do, I will use measuring point as a counter. So if you, whenever you want to create measuring point, you need some characteristic. Okay, so if you want to measure uh, power producing or current producing, so here you can see, you can take a measuring position as a current. Okay, then here you can choose as a current in ampere. Okay, ampere, and then here you need to use current. So how much current one diesel genset is providing and producing per day, you can measure here. Okay, so then I will press enter, and you can see current is coming here. Now I am, and I'm going to take in some annual estimated, and okay, as a 9 times 9. Okay. So if you want to measure something against this particular equipment, so you need to create one measuring point. Then you can create measurement document, and then by using it, you can map some detail. Okay. So what is showing? Current producing in ampere. Current produce in ampere. Producing in ampere. And then I will save it. So you can see this is how I have created one measuring point. Okay. Now what I will do, I will create some measurement document. So for this, I will use T code IK11. Then I will press enter. And I want to measure some data. Okay. From 11 Feb. Okay. Morning 8 o'clock. Then I will press enter. So if counter is a 0. Okay. So what will be happen? Counter reading will, I'm going to take as a 10 hour. Okay. Then I will, so just I have maintained some difference, means it is the means of I mean I'm just putting 10 ampere, means on 11th Feb this diesel genset have produces 10 ampere current for electricity purpose, for providing electricity for that plant. Okay. So just I'm going to measure or map. Okay. Then I will save it. Okay. Again, I will for 12, I will use map 8 o'clock. Okay. And then press enter. Here I will use 9 o'clock, 9 hour. Then what I will do, I will save it. Again 13 Feb, 8 o'clock morning, I will put 11 ampere. Okay. Then I will, okay. Then what will be happen? Again on 14, I will map at 8 o'clock, and I will use 8 ampere, and then I will save. So this is how I have created some measurement document for particular equipment. Now I'm going to show you the list of measurement document. I will use T code IK70. Then this screen will be appear here. What I will do, I will use measuring point, and then I will execute it. Okay. So here you can see on on 11th Feb, it produces 10 ampere, and then on 12th it produces 9 ampere. In the same manner, you can map the data. Here you will get some detail. Okay. So this is the things related to your measurement document. Okay. For last one, you can see. Okay. If you want to update something, you can update new one. Okay. If you want to update for 15 IK11, you need to use T code, then 15. Okay. 8 o'clock morning, then press enter. I will use 12. Okay. And you can see here as a current producing in ampere. Then press enter and save it. So here you can see, if you will execute it, the data will come here. Okay. So this is the beauty of SAP PM. So if you want to measure some detail related to your DG set, so you can measure. If you want to create some characteristic as a hours, and you want to create some measuring point, so for diesel genset working hour, if you want to update, you can update it. Okay. So now I'm coming on Excel sheet. So this is how we have created class and characteristic measuring point. Technical object we have created, work center we have created, function location, equipment, and then we need to create task list. Okay. So what I will do, I will go through one T code to create task list. So I will use T code IA05 to create general task list. Then I will press enter. I will use T code task list for diesel genset. Okay. Then I will use T code. Uh, then I will use planning plant 7000 work center. I will use PM dash dash MECH planning plant 7000. Usage will be 4, status will be 4. Then I will press enter, and then I will click on operation tab. Okay, so what I will do, I will go through the Google. Okay, I will use maintenance bike maintenance task list. Okay, so here what I will do, I will put as a diesel genset DG maintenance checklist. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy these things. So this is the task. So what I will do, I will come in operation and I will paste it. Okay, so this is the operation. In step 1, we need to do lubrication service, then cooling system, we need to check fuel system, we need to check. So check fuel lubrication service. Okay, check cooling system, check fuel system, check testing batteries. Okay, test or testing routine engine exercise, check keep your diesel generator clean, and exhaust system inspection. Okay, so this is our task list. Then I will press enter. Okay, and what will be happen? This is the task list for this diesel genset. So we need to perform for the maintenance execution. Okay, whenever we will go for the uh, uh, schedule maintenance, we can perform this one. Okay, so as per your choice, you can change this. Just only for training I have taken this. Okay, then I will come on header level and then I will save it. Okay, so this is how I have created one general task list. If you want to create a specific as per equipment, so you need to use T code IA01, then I will press enter, and then you need to use equipment number, then press enter. All detail will come automatically. Here only you need to use usage, status, press enter, and then again go through the operation. Okay, here what you need to do, you need to paste all the task. Okay, and you can check lubrication, check cooling system, check fuel system, check testing batteries, and okay, and routine engine exercise, check. Okay, then keep your diesel genset kit clean, and exhaust, check exhaust system. Okay, so this is the equipment specific task list. Okay, what I will do, I will press enter and then I will save it. So this is the equipment task list. When you will go through the hierarchy, it will show. Okay, so this is how I have created one task list related to diesel genset. Okay, so now I'm going to Excel sheet, and this is how I have created task list. Now I'm going to create catalog profile. Okay, so in next class we will use to create different master data. Remaining of master data we will create in remaining next class. Okay, so okay, bye, take care, thank you. So